Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to enable or disable adaptive sync on your MSI G242L gaming monitor. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the monitor settings. So click on the red button on the right side of the monitor. It's closer to the bottom. Now go to gaming, and here right at the bottom we will have the adaptive sync. Now we can enable it. As you guys can see, it's disabled now, and now it enabled. Now after we go back to the settings of the monitor, we will see that adaptive sync is enabled. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.